Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to today. It is Thursday, April 15th, 2021. And right now, I just played you the Banana Split song because today is National Banana Day. So if you are eating a banana, you are celebrating National Banana Day. Today I am live from Miss Gein's kindergarten classroom, and we're going to go ahead and do the pledges. Please stand, place your hand over your heart as we say our pledges. Okay. For which it stands, one nation. And now the Texas Pledge. Y ahora en español. Honro la bandera de una nación ante Dios indivisible. Y ahora la bandera de Texas. Prometo fidelidad a ti, Texas, un estado bajo Dios. Thank you, Wildcats. Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? You may be seated, Wildcats. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe. You have the right to feel loved. You have the right to feel respected. If at any point you do not feel loved, respected, or safe, be it at home, on the bus, or at school, please, please, please let a trusted adult in your life know, talk it over with them, and let them know how you feel. We continue to be a no place for hate campus, so that means that you need to remember that here we treat everyone kindly. We do our best to be kind to everyone. We treat everyone fairly. If we see someone being hurt or bullied, we tell a teacher, and that we help others to feel safe and happy at school. I hope you're all doing your part to make our school a no place for hate. We have one happy birthday today. Happy birthday to Briley G in 3rd grade. We wish you a happy April birthday. Today we do have a couple of announcements. There is a TWI parent orientation for students who will begin kindergarten next year. Those are viral. They will be online on Zoom. There is a boys club meeting. As I said, today is National Banana Day. It is also National High Five Day. So you can go ahead and give your classmate an air high five, which means we don't touch, but we both put our hands up with our 5 fingers and give a high five in the air. We continue to practice safety protocols by wearing masks and washing our hands frequently, and practice your 6 feet apart rule. The character education theme for this month is self-discipline. Our quote is from the famous football coach, Bum Phillips. His quote is, "The only discipline that lasts is self-discipline." All right, so with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not. That is right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours. We hope that today you choose to make it a terrific Thursday. And if you're having a banana, I hope you enjoy your day.